2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado redesign. 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado review. New cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Toyota brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado redesign. 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado review. New cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado redesign. 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado review. New cars by. This is the first casual get-a-gander at the 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Pictures and understated aspects of Toyota's time-tested 4x4 supporter have looked internet-based, implying to discover yet another strategy and reworked well on the inside. Poured by indicates of website-centered social media, the grainy photos emit an impact of becoming obtained from a Japanese pamphlet of the Land Cruiser Prado. Reviews advise the replacement model will probably be exposed in Japan on September 12, even so, Toyota Melbourne has dropped to comment. 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado engine. As every the document, comparable to the provide 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, the new Toyota Land Cruiser Prado could have 2.7-liter essential oil and 2.8-liter diesel motor selections. The gas motor generates 163 PlayStation and 246 Nm of torque. The diesel motor is tuned to express 177 PlayStation and 450 Nm of torque. A 6-velocity programmed transmission is normal. There is an unclear say of a 2.4-liter diesel motor, 150 PlayStation/400 Nm, as properly, maybe the 2GD FTV system from the Fortuner. 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado specs. As every record appeared by Native Indian Automobiles blog site, the rejuvenated Land Cruiser Prado can make its demonstration in Japan on September 12. For the Japanese market, the amended Prado will emphasize common broad headlamps and the Toyota Protection Feeling P-Pack, which features mechanized situation braking with the particular person on feet recognition, course takeoff cautioning with directing support, programmed higher pillars, and radar well-guided quest management. An additional directing tire, removed from the Toyota Crown, and an 8-in touchscreen infotainment and options platform will likely be available. Essential changes around the recent 150 series include a rearranged front end, which includes new simple aspects around the front lights, headwear, grille, and front side defend. At the rear, the Prado's again shield has become a lightweight design transformation and the tail lighting fixtures have already been unobtrusively reproved helpful. There are similarly some transformative changes within the lodge, which includes the dashboard focus buckle and car owner device bundle. Gossipy tidbits suggest the Japanese market Prado will show a collection of new wellness development integrating mechanized problems braking with the man or woman on feet area, course takeoff cautioning with handling assist, programmed substantial pillar lighting fixtures and functional voyage handle. 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado redesign. The restored 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado will showcase a current front side stop, accomplished with one more headwear, grille, front lights, and a much more forceful defend treatment method. At the rear, there are new patterns for the tail lamps and a daintily up-to-date shield. Inside of, on the inside location of the dash panel has become commonly revised with a good deal of silver plastic type material and keyboard darker toned, and enhanced manages for the aerating and air conditioning model and infotainment structure. There is, in addition, a transformed seek out the device table. The rims on the vehicle pointed out are a newcomer to the Toyota Prado and the tail lights are special, as properly. Images of Japanese spec vehicles have once more exhibited the more tire is nestled below the auto. Even so, gratefully, these photos show the additional placed on the rear entranceway. 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado release date and price. Whilst the renderings are not conclusive, HAMAD1TW03 has ahead of time spilled photos in facelift Toyota Land Cruiser and Lexus LX. This can suggest he has some expert info, nonetheless, nothing at all is reputable beginning at, however. Regardless, the facelift Land Cruiser Prado will allegedly be divulged in September and arrive decorated with a group of Toyota basic safety sensation frameworks. Nothing at all is genuine apart from a model is dependent on to obtain programmed substantial pillar front lights, radar quest handle, a pre-accident cautioning platform with a man or woman on it. Place, and a pathway takeoff cautioning structure with leading aid. Thanks.